Well, border tensions and a bout of profit taking took a toll on the markets today, but the Nifty did well to recover from the day's low. Ended lower by about a percent or so. Even the Sensex was down somewhere around 0.7% or thereabouts. The broader end of the market saw sharper cuts, so the Nifty mid cap index ended lower by about 2.5%, but at one point in time it was down over 3.5%. For the week, however, we managed to end in the positive zone. Second straight week of gains for the Nifty with gains of somewhere around almost a percent or so, but the Nifty mid cap index has outperformed and clocked in gains of almost 2% for the week. In terms of sectors, IT was the outperformer this week, 6.5% gain coming in on the IT index. Even banks, for that matter, ended the week on a positive note. Although for the last few sessions we have seen the Nifty Bank index come under a fair bit of profit taking. If you look at the individual movers, then in terms of Nifty gainers, you had the likes of Tech Mahindra and HCL Tech, strong gains for the week, almost somewhere around 9 to 11% apiece. On the flip side, among the top laggards this week were the likes of Shriram Finance. Numbers weren't all that great. The stock reacted today as well, and for the week as well, it's down 5%. Aside of that, you had Adani Ports. That stock is also lower by about 5% for the week. In terms of the movers from the broader end of the markets, AU Small Finance Bank gained 15%. In terms of how it came out with its numbers, the stock reacted fairly well to that. On the flip side, Blue Star, that stock was down somewhere around 14% for the week. In the coming week, headlines related to tariff as well as any escalation between the neighboring countries in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attacks. Now, that is something that will decide which way the market will head from here. But that was all about the market action. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.